Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can take beautiful photos with your iPhone only. You may be wondering, why the heck are you outside in the rain? Well, the reason is because I've been taking photos of these beautiful flowers and the beautiful flowers on the other side, which you'll see in a second. As you can see, I'm using the rule of thirds composition setting on my phone, and I also have view outside photo off. Outside photo frame off. So everything you see in this photo here is what you're going to see once the finished product is done. Here's some more flowers here. They're so beautiful. I just need to move this stem here because I want to get these flowers. I think they're gorgeous. I just need to hold them naturally, not like down like that. I want the photo to look as natural as possible. Ah, my umbrella's falling. That's so beautiful. Oh my. This is what I look like taking a photo, holding the umbrella stick with my neck. I gotta get in. My waffles are in the oven.